What if I told you that one simple ingredient sitting in your kitchen could help you get smoother, brighter, younger looking skin without expensive creams or treatments? Most people are actually using it the wrong way, and that's why they don't see results. The real problem. As we age, our skin slowly changes. It becomes thinner, drier, and less responsive. Collagen production drops, circulation slows down, and the skin barrier becomes weaker. That's why every good skincare product sometimes stops working the way they used to. But here's the truth, most people don't understand. This is not just a surface problem. Your skin is a living organ, and it needs the right conditions to function properly. If those conditions are not there, no cream or serum will give you real results. The 3 things your skin needs. Instead of using more products, your skin needs 3 simple things. First, it needs to release, meaning getting rid of dead skin buildup and hidden inflammation. Second, it needs stimulation, meaning better circulation, hydration, and repair. And third, it needs nourishment, real ingredients that your skin can actually use. When you combine all 3, your skin doesn't just look better, it starts working better. Here's the powerful natural mask. Now here's where it gets interesting. We are going to use 4 simple ingredients, but in the right way. The first one is fine sugar. Unlike salt, sugar is much gentler on the skin. It helps remove dead skin cells without damaging the surface, and at the same time, it helps retain moisture, which is extremely important for glowing, youthful skin. The second ingredient is raw honey. This deeply hydrates the skin, soothes irritation, and helps repair the skin barrier. It also creates a natural environment that supports skin regeneration. The third ingredient is extra virgin olive oil. This helps restore the skin's protective layer, locks in moisture, and protects collagen from damage, which is key for reducing wrinkles. And finally, plain unsweetened yogurt. This contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates from within and helps improve skin texture, while also balancing the skin with probiotics. When these ingredients are combined, they release, stimulate, and nourish your skin at the same time. Common mistakes. But here's where most people go wrong. They scrub too hard, thinking more pressure means better results. They use harsh ingredients or leave the mask on too long. And sometimes they even use sweetened yogurt, which can irritate the skin. Remember, your skin doesn't need aggression. It needs gentle, consistent care. Now how to prepare. Now how to prepare this mask. To make this mask, take 2 teaspoons of plain yogurt and mix it with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Then add 1 teaspoon of fine sugar and mix gently so it keeps a soft texture. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. It doesn't have to mix perfectly. The texture should be smooth, slightly creamy, and easy to apply. Now, how to apply. Start with clean skin. Apply the mask gently on your face using soft, circular motions. Do not scrub harshly. The sugar will naturally exfoliate the skin. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. That's enough time for your skin to absorb the benefits without irritation. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water and gently pat your face dry. Finish with a simple moisturizer to lock everything in. Talking about the best time and frequency, the best time to use this is in the evening or before bed, when your skin enters repair mode. Use it 1 to 2 times per week. More is not better. Consistency is what creates results. So what's the final message? When you use the right ingredients in the right way, your skin doesn't just look better, it becomes healthier and more radiant over time. Simple, natural, and effective. That's the real secret to anti-aging. Share this with your friends and family, and I will see you soon in the next video. Take care.